the humidifier. Let's turn it on. There it go. Instantly. Let's turn it up a little bit. It's on 2. Let's turn it 3. It's 3 right here. Ooh. Works great. Let's turn on the light, the night light. Okay. Turn it all the way to 3. Okay. And what I something that I came up with is this right here. This some home stuff. So, you know, what I do is it's gonna make a lot of noise. But what I do is I turn it on and it's gonna help push the air, humidify the vapor all the way up in the air, and it's gonna help circulate the room a lot faster. It's gonna make a lot of noise, so be prepared. I need to get me a new one that's more quieter. But watch. I turn it on. And it's gonna shoot. It's gonna draw the air in, shoot it up. It's gonna shoot the humidifier more up in the air, like circulate the room a lot faster, you know. Well, the humidifier, 5 star, great. Don't make a lot of noise, just make a little popping sound. You hear that? Well, it's good. 5 star.
So I had just got done setting this up, so this is kind of an early review. So far it's working really good. I filled it up with 6 cups and it was a lot higher, like about to right here. But then once I put it in the base, a lot of water went down somewhere. So now this is how much water I'm left with. So I will see how long that lasts. This is on level 3. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera, but it's coming out a lot. I don't see much of a difference on level 2. But level 1 you definitely can see a change. That is without the light. And so far it's really good. I do like it a lot. So I would recommend. I'll leave an updated review later.
sich kreativ auslebt und den Highscore knackt. Du willst das Leben gigantisch erleben?